Facebook has around 2.7 billion monthly active users. Thousands of affiliate marketers put ads on Facebook to sell their affiliate products. Unfortunately, so many of them fail because they don't manage to effectively convert their target audiences through ads. In this video, you will learn extremely important pieces of information from setup to tracking about how to conduct effective Facebook advertising for huge profits. A Facebook advertising campaign has one or more Facebook ads in it. These ads target users depending on their location, demographic, and profile information. The ad appears on the screen of the target user as they scroll through their feed. Every appearance is recorded as an impression. Like and comments are considered engagement. Clicks are used to compute the number of clicks, the cost per click, the click-through rate, etc. Depending on the campaign objective, clicks from the target users can take them to a website, an online store, a Facebook page, or an offer. The cost for advertising on Facebook depends on a number of factors or parameters. These include the ad timing or time, the day that the ad shows, the bidding strategy, lowest cost or a specific bid cap, ad placement, that is high or low competition placements, ad relevance or the ranking score of the engagement, conversion, etc. Target audience, higher competition audiences cost more. If you don't consider these parameters carefully, you may end up spending money without making profits. But thousands of affiliate marketers are still successful in getting more visibility, generating more leads, and convert more customers. In order to set up your Facebook Ads Manager account, log into Facebook. Select Menu and Add from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. At the bottom left corner, click on the Go to Ads. You should be guided through the creation and setting up of your account. Click on the Create button in the Campaign tab. You now should identify your campaign goal: increasing web traffic, growing your email database through lead generation, etc. Facebook ads give you 11 objectives to choose from. Brand awareness by non-customers of yours, reach through which your ads and messages reach a wider scope of your audience, traffic, engagement, app installations, video views, lead generation, conversations, conversions, product sales, store traffic whereby you direct more customers to your physical store. Conversions are charged per action and visits and views per impression. You set up your budget by choosing a daily or lifetime budget, as well as the start and end dates. You can schedule your ad to go live in the future or right away. Use the Campaign Budget Optimization or CBO feature of Facebook. CBO allows Facebook to optimize your budget. This way, the bulk of your budget will be spent on the target audience or audiences with whom you have better results. This will get you more conversions at a lower cost. Choose your target audience by location, age, gender, language, etc. Micro-focusing, for example, on those interested in life insurance but not car insurance will get you better results. You have the option to include or exclude those following your Facebook page or have attended an online event. You can use Facebook lookalike audiences to replicate and help you find the people whom you already identified as your ideal customer. When selecting your audience, use custom audiences as much as possible. Warmer audiences or people already familiar with your brand like old or current customers, website visitors, Facebook page followers, etc. will get you better results. As a beginner, you should use the Facebook Automatic Placements option. This way, Facebook automatically places your advertisements across their different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, etc. They decide on which platform to favor to get optimal results. They will focus on the platforms where your goals are most achieved. Facebook offers you a variety of ad formats to choose from. Test out different ads types to see which ones get you the most results. Ads formats on Facebook include news feed ads, which show up in your news feed, right column ad, which is rather basic with a headline description, and single image. Lead ads, which allow quick opt-in to newsletters or email lists. Carousel ads, which allow you to show up to 10 images and links with each ad. Dynamic product ads, which target users who had past actions on your site and which are timed to perfection. Other ad formats are paid post links, canvas ads, event ads, offer ads, etc. Use the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard to closely track your ad campaigns. This way, you don't waste your money on a campaign not performing well. To do that, add Facebook Pixel to your website landing page. Initially, you should run a few ads with small audiences and budget. This helps you better see your best performing ads so that you can focus on them. You should be able to get your affiliate products in front of your target audience for better profits.